Now we go to the standard normal distribution. The standard normal distribution is a special case of the normal distribution. For the standard normal distribution, the value of mean is equal to 0 and the value of standard deviation is equal to 1. Standardizing a normal distribution. Standardizing a normal distribution is the procedure to convert the given normal distribution to the standard normal distribution. The units of a normal distribution are denoted by X. The standard normal distribution are denoted by Z. For a normal random variable X, a particular value of X can be converted to a Z value by using this formula. Biasanya kamu akan dapat soalan dalam bentuk X. Itu adalah unit normal distribution X. Tapi kita kena tukar dalam bentuk standard normal distribution. Dan nak tukar dia, kita gunakan this formula. Z equals to X minus mu divided by standard deviation. Mu adalah mean, sigma adalah standard deviation. We look example 7 number 1. Let X be a continuous random variable that has a normal distribution with a mean of 50 and a standard deviation of 10. Convert the following X values to Z. Okey, soalan ni just nak kita convert daripada X value kepada Z. So, kita gunakan formula standardize. Okay, sebelum saya start tukar, kita tulis dulu normal. X is normally distributed with mean. Mean is 50 and variance. Dia given standard deviation, so nak cari variance adalah 10 square. Ini memang cara tulis normal distribution. Dia mesti ada nilai mean dengan sigma square. Standard deviation tu adalah sigma. Kalau sigma square tu adalah variance. Okay. Now kita nak convert X kepada Z. So ingat balik formula standardize. X minus with mu mean divided by sigma. So Z equals to X is 55 minus with mean mu is 50 divided by standard deviation, so 10. Then we solve, we get 0.5. Next B, X equals to 35. So we standardize. Z equals to 35 minus with mean 50 divided by standard deviation, so 10. Then we solve, we get negative 1.5. Question number 2. Let X be a continuous random variable that has a normal distribution with mean 25 and standard deviation 4. Okay, from this statement, we know that X normally distribute with mean 25 and standard deviation 4. Tapi tempat kat sini adalah variance, bukan standard. So kita letak 4 square. Okay, first question. Find the area A between X equals to 25 and X equals to 32. Between. So probability area from 25 until 32. Sebabkan word between, so tak ada equal sign. Okay, from X kita kena standardize, tukar kepada Z. So we use formula X minus mean divided by standard deviation. X minus mean divided by standard deviation. Then we solve, we get answer 0 and 1.75. To find the area, we sketch the bell shape 0 until 1.75. So this area we want to find. To find this area, we take 0.5. Area untuk separuh ni adalah 0.5 total dia. Kita minuskan dengan area di sini, tail yang kat belakang ni. This one adalah PZ greater than 1.75. Okay, 0.5 minus, since symbol is greater than and the value is positive, so kita boleh direct check table. Then we find Z 1.7 and 5. So 0.0401. 0.0401. Then we solve, we get answer 0.4599. Continue question B. Between x equals to 18 and x equals to 34. Okay, between, so means 18 until 34. Between tak ada equal sign. Then from x we convert to z. We standardize. So x minus mean divided by standard deviation. X minus mean divided by standard deviation. Then we get answer. We solve. Negative 1.75, 2.25. Okay, we sketch the normal curve to check the area. Bell shape. We have negative 1.75 and 2.25. So the area is here. Okay, to find this area, we take total for area. Total for area is 1. 1 minus with these two tail. First tail to the left side. So PZ less than negative 1.75 and minus with this tail to the right side. So PZ greater than 2.25. Okay, PZ less than this area, same with this area. So we can change to PZ greater than 1.75. Sebabkan dia simetri, so dia samalah, area sebelah kiri sama dengan area sebelah kanan. Lepas tu kamu boleh tukar je. Less tu jadi greater, negatif jadi positif. Then this one stay PZ greater than 2.25. Okay. The sign is greater, both, and both are positive, so we can check table. 1.75 we have 0.0401 and 2.25 we have 0.0122. Then we copy both answer. 1 minus 0.0401 minus with 0.0122. Then we get answer 0.9477. Continue question number 3. Let x be a continuous random variable that has a normal distribution with a mean of 40 and a standard deviation 5. Okay, first, x normally distribute with mean 40 and standard deviation 5. So we put 5 square. Okay, first question, find px greater than 55. So first step, we need to convert x into z, or we call it as standardize. So standardize first, z greater than x minus mean divided by standard deviation. Then we solve, we get z greater than 3. To find z greater than 3, the symbol is greater and the value is positive. So we can direct check from table. Z greater than 3 means 3.000. So this value 0.00135. So we get answer 0.00135. Question B, we have px less than 49. So we standardize. We change to z less than x 49 minus with mean 40 divided by standard deviation 5. Then we solve, we get answer z less than 1.8. We sketch the curve. We want less than 1.8. 1.8 is here, so less than this area. To find this area, we take total area 1 and we minus with this tail. This tail to the right side. So 1 minus PZ greater than 1.8. Symbol is greater and the value is positive, so we can check table. We find 1.8. So 1.8 is here, 0.0359. So 1 minus 0.0359, we minus, then we get answer 0.9641. We continue next question. Number 4. The weights of ball bearings produced by a machine are normally distributed with a mean of 8 gram and standard deviation of 0.5 gram. If a ball bearing is randomly picked, find the probability that the weight of the ball bearing is... Before we start solve, we state first the mean and the variance. So X normally distribute with mean 8 and standard deviation 0.5. But this one refer to variance, so we put square. First A, question asks exactly 7 gram. Exactly 7 gram, the sign is PX equals, then we convert to Z, standardize, X, 7, minus with mean, divide by 0.5. Then we get PZ equals to negative 2. Okay. Since the symbol is equal, so we can read from table. Table normal just for sign greater or greater equal only. So we can solve. So equals to 0. B, more than 9 gram. More than 9 gram means PX greater than 9. Then we standardize, convert to Z, X minus with mean, divide by standard deviation. Then we solve, we get answer Z greater than 2. Z greater than we can read from table, and 2 also positive, so we can read from table. We check table, we find Z 2.0, so here 0.0228. So we put answer 0.0228. So next question, C, the most 7.5 gram. So question asks to find X less than 7.5. The most means less than. Then we convert to Z, standardize, X minus with mean, divide by standard deviation. Then we solve, PZ less than, we get answer negative 1. PZ less than negative 1, we can read from table. So we sketch the normal curve first. Negative 1, so we have here negative 1. Less than, so this area. This area same with this area. Sebab dia simetri, so sebelah kiri sama dengan sebelah kanan. Then kita ambil yang area yang positif lah. Kita tak boleh nak guna PZ less than negative 1 sebab tak boleh nak baca table. So kita convert, jadikan dia greater than, and this one akan jadi negative 1 become 1. Okay, then we can check table. Find Z equals to 1, so 1.0 is here, 0.1587. So we put answer 0.1587. Next question D, we find 6 to to 10 gram. 6 to 10 gram means the symbol is between 6 and 10. But 6 to 10 means include 6 and include 10. Okay, then we change, convert to Z. 6 minus 8 divide by standard deviation 0.5. Z. 10 minus mean divide by standard deviation. Then we solve, we get answer negative 4 and 4. So kita tak boleh nak baca table, kita kena sketch dulu the area. From negative 4 to 4. To find this area, we take total for this area 1 minus with these 2 tail. First tail is PZ less than negative 4 and second tail PZ greater than 4. PZ less than negative 4 same as PZ greater than 4. Here is same. So we take 1 minus PZ greater than 4 minus with PZ greater than 4. Same. So we can combine 1 minus 2PZ greater than 4. So we check table since the sign is greater and positive value. So we check Z equals to 4. Then we have 0.0003. So we put answer 1 minus 2 times 0.00003. Then we have answer 0.99994. We go to the next question. Number 5. The marks in a certain examination were normally distributed with mean mu and standard deviation sigma. 5% of the candidates had more than 85 marks and 10% had less than 25 marks. Find the values of mu and sigma. Okay, this question we doesn't know the value for mean and standard deviation, and we know this question is normally distribute. X normally distribute with mu mean and variance sigma square. Tapi tak tahu nilai, kita tulis dia dulu. Question inform 5% of the candidates had more than 85 marks. Px greater than 85 is 5%, 0.05. X tu adalah marks, markah dia. Markah yang besar daripada 85 sebanyak 5%, so 0.05. Then we have information 10% had less than 25 marks. So Px less than 25 is 10%, 0.1. Then we solve this one to get value for mu and sigma. Okay, first Px greater than 85, we standardize, convert to Z greater than X 85 minus with mean, tak tahu berapa, divide by standard deviation equals to 0.05. To find the value for Z, we need to sketch the curve 0.05. 0.05 is a small area, greater than, Z is greater than, and the area is 0.05, so kecil je. So di sinilah kita assume. So di sini yang ada 85 minus mean divide by sigma. Inilah nilai Z, but dia nak greater than this one, 0.05. So greater ke kanan area dia, dan kecil je 0.05. Okay, to find this area, maksudnya Z kita tu nilai dia memang positif lah, sebab dia berada di sebelah kawasan positif. So nilai 85 minus mu divide by sigma ni adalah nilai yang positif. Dan Z pula menggunakan simbol greater. Greater dan this one positive. So kita boleh baca table terus. Bolehlah cari daripada table. So kita find dalam table di mana ada 0.05. 0.05. So this one 0.0505 and 0.0493. Kalau kita bundarkan dua-dua ni akan dapat 0.5 juga. Dekat dengan 0.5. So yang paling dekat adalah 0.0505. Kalau 0.0493 dia beza 0.007. Ini 0.005 je. So kita ambil 1.64. So from table 85 minus mu divided by sigma equals to 1.64. So 85 minus mu equals to 1.64 sigma. Yang first equation. Next we look second information. We have px less than 25 equals to 0.1. So we convert to z, standardize 25 minus with mu divided by standard deviation, then we get 0.1. Okay, to check the area kecil ke besar, kita lukis normal curve. So we sketch. Okay, z less than, so areanya ke arah kiri, ke kiri, z less, and kecil sahaja 0.1. So maksudnya di sinilah 25 minus mu divided by sigma. So area dia kecil je 0.1 dan ke arah kiri. Kalau saya ambil di sini sebagai nilai z, so area dia akan jadi besar. Tak sesuai dengan 0.1 sebab separuh sebelah kanan kosong adalah area dia adalah sebanyak 0.5. Sebelah kiri kosong pun dia punya area ada 0.5. Kita nak 0.1, kecil sahaja. Bila kita lukis curve ni, kita dapat nampak kat sini value z adalah value yang negatif. Okay, bila z tu less than dan dia adalah negatif, so areanya sama dengan yang sebelah kanan. So this part daripada answer tadi kita timeskan dengan negatif. So mu minus 25 divided by sigma. Sebab asal nombor dia adalah negatif, kita convert ke sebelah kanan jadi dia positif. Nak jadikan dia positif, kita darabkan semua dengan negatif. That's why akan jadi mu minus 25 divided by sigma. We write pz greater than mu minus 25 over sigma equals to 0.1. Then we can read from table, sebabnya sign dah greater dan ini kita dah positifkan. Mu minus 25 divided by sigma equals to, kita check table kat mana ada 0.1. We find 0.1. So we have 0.1103 and 0.0985. Okay, so ini yang paling dekat lah, 0.1003. So 1.28. So equals to 1.28. Then mu minus 25 divided by sigma equals to 1.28. And mu minus 25 equals to 1.28 sigma. And this one second equation. Then take first equation, we plus with second equation. So 85 minus 25, so we get 60. Negative mu plus with mu, so 0. And 1.64 plus with 1.28, then we get 2.92 sigma. Okay, then we get answer sigma equals to 20.548. Then we substitute sigma equals to 20.548 into 1. Then we solve 85 minus mu equals to 1.64 times with sigma 20.548. Then we get answer mu equals to 51.3. Okay, then we conclude mu equals to 51.3 and sigma equals to 20.548. You can try this exercise to make you more understand with this subtopic. That's all. Thank you everyone.